Hi, Tots. Today we're going to do an experiment. Do you know that the word experiment has an X in it? Experiment. You hear that X? Experiment. 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 And it's a science experiment that involves beautiful rainbows. And I know so many of the tots love rainbows. So I'd like to get started. This experiment will teach us about capillary action. Now I know what you're thinking. Capillary action, what's that? It sounds so big and grown up. But you know about capillary action. When plants, big trees, want to get water from their roots all the way up to the tippy top, they use capillary action. The food, the water, go from the roots on up to the tree. From the water, moves up through the solid. And that's capillary action. And that's how all of our plants get their water and their nutrients. Today we're going to work with capillary action, but a little different. I'll show you what we need. We are going to need a paper towel, a pair of scissors. You might need some help from a big person. A piece of yarn or string. 2 glasses of water. Sometimes I like to poke a hole with a hole puncher, but you can have a big person use a pencil or a pen and just poke a hole through. All right, the first thing we have to do is take our scissors and we need to cut out a semicircle in the shape of a rainbow. So I'm going to cut my paper towel like this, and then I'll cut it again. And someone can guide you or put lines on your paper towel, and you can cut out your rainbow. Here we go. Then you take your markers, and you'll need some very special colors, the rainbow colors, and you put the colors at the end. And you know the rainbow colors. Roy G. Biv. It's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and the purple. And on this side, you start with a red on the outside and you move in. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Looks pretty already, doesn't it? Next, you poke a hole into the top of your rainbow, or you can just poke the hole, as we said, with something that is pointy like a pencil or a pen. And again, a big person can help you with that. Then you take your piece of string or yarn and you put it through the hole, you thread it right through, and you tie it off. And then you can tie it to something up above, and you just dip the ends only into the glasses. Now, I wanted you to see the results, so I started mine just a few moments ago so that you'll be able to see it. And I want you to take a look at it now. There are my 2 cups of water over here. And here is my beautiful rainbow that has been busy growing right before everyone's eyes. And it'll fill up the whole space and it'll be a solid rainbow. Capillary action goes from the liquid against gravity. The liquid is able to move up into the solid, through the solid. Experiment. Experiments are lots of fun. Happy X Week. It's beautiful.